Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a super laid back video, kind of vlog style, just showing what we do throughout the day. So in the mornings I like to get a game plan of what we are going to do for the day. Sometimes I do this a couple days in advance. Sometimes if we have no plans, I just try to think, okay, what am I going to get done today? So as you guys know, we have started a garden this summer and it has been so fun growing things from the seeds. Some of it we got already sprouted, but to see everything grow and to take care of it has been so fun. So we've gotten a bunch of tomatoes, I've got some zucchini, and we are going to make some salsa today. So we are actually going to can some salsa, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. I'm going to do some cleaning around the house. I have to go to the store and get some things for the canning and salsas. So I'm just going to take you guys along with us today. I know you guys like vlog style videos, so I'm going to try to incorporate them in maybe once a week or once every other week, something like that. So let me know if you guys like vlog style videos and just random day in the life kind of content. Make sure you like this video if you do, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on a video. Like I said in the last one, I'm trying to post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and that's working out pretty good. And since we're vlogging, little man wanted to say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Are you pretty proud of our garden? Yeah. He is such a good tomato picker and zucchini picker, aren't you? You know how to pick all the vegetables, don't you? And we water them every night. Yeah. We're gonna make some salsa today. Are we going to? You gonna help me? Are you making faces? Oh. Okay, you're being crazy. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. All right, I'm going to make lunch and clean up the kitchen a little bit before we run to the store. But I'm gonna put on one of my favorite podcasts, Simple Farmhouse Life. So good, so good. If you guys are into canning or fermenting or sourdough or even learning how to sew or just homesteading in general, this is the podcast for you. It's so encouraging. She also has a YouTube and blog course if you guys are interested in starting one of those up. She's really relatable, so I just wanted to give her a quick shout out. I'll have her podcast linked down below as well as her Instagram if you guys want to check her out.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool.
After lunch, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the kitchen. I'm going to start by cleaning any dishes that are in the sink. That way they are just out of the way. I'm going to need to use my sink whenever I start canning. So I'm going to do this real quick and do a quick tidy up of the kitchen.
But I get high, I get low at the same time. close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when
I'm also going to start a load of laundry. That way I can just keep it rolling and I don't get overwhelmed by it.
say it out loud? Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it.
Alright guys, just got home from the store and I had a package at my doorstep, so I thought we could unbox this together. It is some new candles from Copper Candle Co., which is my favorite candle place. They always come out with the best scents. So let's see what we got. Ooh, this one looks so good. Fireside Marshmallow. I cannot wait to smell this. Oh, I can already smell it. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, that smells good. It's not too chocolatey. This will be a good transitioning into fall candle. It's in kind of like a mason jar style glass, and it's got this bronzy topper on it. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Okay, and then the other one is sugared vanilla. Let's see what this one smells like. These are really cozy scents. This smells so good. I like this size too. So I've got a bigger one and then a little bit smaller version. I will have these linked for you guys if you want to get one, and if I have a coupon code, I will insert it here on the screen and also down below. This smells so good. I'm probably gonna burn one of these tonight, but thank you, Copper Candle Co., for sending these. You know I love her candles. I've got them all over my house. She makes the really pretty dough bowl candles as well. Let me go grab it and I'll show you. All right, here is the dough bowl candle. How pretty is this? I always have this set on a wicker tray in our living room, but this one is really big and you can get refills with it whenever you have burned all of the candle out. But if you want to try a bunch of different scents out, she does have these really small versions, like these little mason jars. So here's the different sizes. So here's the bigger one, here's a medium sized one, and then in the middle is a small one. And a lot of times you can get like a bunch of these for a lower cost if you just want to try out the scents and see which scent that you like. So that would be a good option as well if you want to get a bunch of them. She's probably going to come out with a fall bundle as well. I know she has a summer bundle right now. My mom actually ordered those, so she got the 3 summer scents in this size and she loves them too. So love Copper Candle Co. All right, I also got some groceries while I was out. So we are gonna make a peach cobbler from the Magnolia Table Cookbook. I've been wanting to make it for a while now, so I finally got some local peaches. They were set up at my Kroger, so I just grabbed some of those. Got some pretzel sticks for Brooks. And then for the salsa, you can actually substitute canned tomatoes if you don't have enough garden tomatoes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna mix them. That way I can make a double batch and not just have to do one batch of salsa. So got that. Got some grapes. And then I'm actually hosting a girls' night this weekend, and we're doing a taco bar, so I'm gonna make this orange lemonade that I needed some lemons and oranges for, so I got a couple of those, some bananas, more diced tomatoes, and strawberries. So that was the grocery order today. I'm gonna put everything up and then get started on salsa. Alright, now we're going to start on our salsa. So the first thing we're going to do is wash our jars and lids. I'm just going to get some hot soapy water and let them sit in there, and then I will rinse them off. Then we're going to wash our veggies and get them nice and clean as well. For my salsa, I'm using the Mrs. Wages salsa packets. I'm doing a mixture of mild and medium. I'm going to mix it together in a bowl and then separate them into 2 parts. Then you're going to blanch your tomatoes. Basically, this is just going to get the skins off easier and get them nice and clean before we make it into salsa. Once the skins on the tomatoes crack, you'll know that they are done and ready to go. Then you're going to place them directly into cool water. Once the tomatoes have cooled a little bit, you're going to peel them and remove the core, and then you're going to chop them up. You could also zap them in the blender if you wish. For one batch of salsa, you're going to measure out 10 cups of tomatoes and juice per batch and go ahead and put them into a large pot. Next, you're going to add your seasoning, and you're also going to add a half a cup of distilled white vinegar, and then you're going to mix that all together and bring it to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, you're going to reduce the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. After the salsa is ready, you're going to put all of your jars into some hot water in the sink, and then you're going to slowly add the salsa to the jars, and then you're also going to heat up the lids by putting them on the stove on medium heat in some water, and then you'll just grab the lids when you're ready for them and seal the jars. We're also going to give our jars a hot water bath in a large pot. We're basically just going to fill it up with water, let it get boiling, and then we'll set our jars in, and we're going to let these cook for 40 minutes to an hour. And you just want to make sure that the water covers the lids, and then that's all. You just wait for them to get finished, then you'll just take them out, and once you remove the jars, you're going to want to let them sit for 24 to 48 hours in that exact spot, and the jars will pop whenever they are done. Alright, one batch is done. They are starting to pop now, so once the lids are sealed, they'll start popping. And this is the more chunkier ones, and then the ones that are in the hot water bath, it's a more smoother consistency. So we'll have some chunky and some smooth. Okay, while that is finishing canning, I thought I would show you some thrift store finds that I got recently. A really cool piece. I've only got 2 things, but I also redecorated the wall in our living room, so I thought I would show that to you guys too. Alright, so here it is. This is an old little adding machine, kind of like a big calculator, but it was made in Grand Rapids, Michigan. and I thought it was so neat. I found this at a thrift store for $25, and I thought that was a pretty good steal. I looked it up online and they run about $50 to $75, so I think it was a good deal. But here's this wall. So underneath this sign from the Farmhouse Sign Co., I love that, but underneath it I added this little sofa table with a candle and some greenery and a vase, and I love how it looks. So I think it looks better having something under the sign. All right, I'm gonna go out to the garden and see if we have any more tomatoes or zucchini that are ready to pick. Brooks and Mom are already out here, so I'll give you guys an update of how the garden is doing this summer.
There's a little baby one. You see him down there?
Oh, a little zucchini right there. I think there was some over here last night. A whole bunch of dill. A whole bunch. We've got a bunch of basil going on, some parsley, a little bit of lavender, and then this big old plant is mint.
Yes.
It smells so good.
Look at this little treasure.
Brooks is getting some tomatoes. Good job. Putting them in the basket. Okay, we gotta wait until they're nice and red. Here's a zucchini. I think he's about ready. Brooksy, you wanna pick him? Remember, you gotta twist it. Good job. We've got some little baby jalapenos getting big, some green peppers, and then some more tomatoes. Those will be ready tomorrow, I bet. Gotta water them down. There's a bunch over here on the side. There's a whole bunch of them about to be ready. You wanna stick this in your basket? Great job picking, Brooksy.
No tomatoes.
I don't think any more are ready. Maybe tomorrow. Here's how the pool's looking tonight. I think we're gonna get in and enjoy it a little bit. How's it feel?
Good.
Feels good.
Feel good.
Feels good. I just turned on our thermocell for mosquitoes. It doesn't have a scent or anything, but it puts off this butane type solution in the air, and it repels the mosquitoes. So it's worked really well for us this summer. This part gets hot. It's got a little pad in there you have to replace every once in a while, but it works really good for mosquitoes. I think it protects a 15-foot radius, so it's great for our back patio here. Just this little area that we have set up. We can sit by the fire or whatnot and not get ate alive. So let me know if you guys have tried the thermocells or not. It's worked really good for us so far. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along our day a little bit and making some salsa with me. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, honestly. I feel like it's not hard. You just have to do it once and then you'll know what you're doing. So I'll let you know how it tastes. We're going to try it out probably tomorrow. I'm super excited. We tried a little bit in the pan and it tasted really good. So hopefully it will be good. But like this video if you like day in the lifestyle videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I will have more videos up on Monday next week, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.